On this week's Q&A, we're talking about what's going on with the real estate market in June 2021. Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining us. This is not a market update for June. I just want to give you a bit of a state of the nation for what's going on right now. We're having all kinds of people ask us what's going on in the real estate market right now. Is it slowing? What's happening? And so I just wanted to give you a bit of a status update today as we sit here. So we have noticed a real slowing down in the market. Now, let me give you a bit better explanation of what that means. So lot less competition on every property. You know, we were seeing 20, 30, 40 offers going in on every property. We're now seeing a lot less of that. A lot of houses are not getting offers at all. And if they are, maybe only one or two, with a few exceptions, of course. So what that means for buyers is obviously a lot less stress. It's a lot easier on them. But what I do want to make sure you understand is that the prices have not gone down. They have not changed. So we're just not seeing the same frenzy, but the prices remain the same. And at the end of the day, that's kind of the only thing that matters to all of us. It just makes it easier when you're in competition with only one or two other people as opposed to 32. But again, price is not changing. We are going to get the stats for June probably by early next week. By the time we do this, that will give you a better indication of what's going on in terms of numbers. But I think, you know, it's been a very strong month, but just keep in mind the market is slowing. So if you are a buyer, I would suggest now is a very good time for you to get out there and buy something. You know, probably not the best time for sellers, but for buyers, it's just going to be a little bit easier on you. Again, keeping in mind prices are the same. Now, having said all of that, you know, what we've got, I just want to explain a little bit about relist. So if a property, let's just say, for example, they anticipate getting $1 million, they list for $899, offer day comes, they don't get what they want, or they only get one or two offers, they will take it off the market at that low price, which was low, and relist for now $1 million, which is what they were hoping to get. So just beware, there's a lot of relists happening. So if, you know, there's still no bargains, if at $899 they aren't getting the offers they want, just watch for it. It'll go back up probably at the price that the sellers anticipate they should get for it. Doesn't mean it wasn't worth that price. It just means that they didn't get the number of offers they had at the low price. It's just a strategy. It doesn't mean anything. So once it goes back on at the price they are anticipating it'll sell for, now you've got a little more time to think about it, negotiate, maybe put those conditions in. So again, a little bit easier for the buyers than it was when it was just an absolute frenzy and a blind bidding process. So I would say right now we've got about 50% being relisted, maybe more, that's my guess. So again, gives you a bit better opportunity. So just remember, September is going to be, I think, crazy hot. Okay, so if you're a buyer, I would be thinking about doing it now. There's not a lot of inventory out there, but when you see something, if you like it, I would grab it. September, I anticipate, is going to be an absolute chaotic show. I can feel it building already months in advance. So let's see where that gets us. If you're a seller, I would probably be waiting until September. I think that's going to be your best move. Otherwise, I think you're probably going to be leaving money on the table. Anyway, we're here if you have any questions. We always love to answer your questions. We love to hear your feedback. Please reach out anytime and like and share with anyone you think might be interested. And of course, follow us on our podcast, which is weekly, and a new episode drops today. It is the Toronto Real Estate Show with Jenelle and Leslie. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you soon.